Welcome to the Enterprise. We can destroy the asteroids in our path, sir.
I believe they have evil intentions. Shoot again.
LaForge here.
Someday you'll learn to play pinball.
Q, we don't have time for your games.
You are an honor